Welcome back to AutoTime Reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Dacia Lodgy, a family-focused MPV that has been completely redesigned to meet the needs of modern drivers while keeping affordability at its core. On the outside, the Lodgy carries a fresh, bold stance. The front end features a wide, black grille with the updated Dacia emblem, flanked by sharp LED headlights with signature Y-shaped daytime running lights. Its boxy yet streamlined silhouette maximizes cabin space, while rugged black cladding and silver skid plate details give it a crossover-inspired edge. Alloy wheels and tinted rear windows add a touch of sophistication, making this MPV stand out in its segment. Step inside, and the interior is all about comfort and practicality. The spacious cabin is designed with families in mind, offering 3 rows of seating and versatile configurations to adapt to different needs. Materials have been improved for a more upscale feel, with durable upholstery, ergonomic seats, and smartly arranged storage spaces throughout the cabin. The dashboard is simple yet modern, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, along with digital driver displays for added convenience. Ambient touches like LED lighting and well-placed cup holders create a welcoming environment that feels practical for daily use and long trips alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Dacia Lodgy comes with efficient petrol and hybrid powertrain options. While not focused on high performance, the engines are tuned for reliability, fuel economy, and everyday drivability, keeping ownership costs low, exactly what Dacia has always been known for. In terms of safety and technology, the Lodgy includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, multiple airbags, and advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring peace of mind for every journey. And here's the best part: pricing. The 2026 Dacia Lodgy is expected to start at around $20,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly MPVs that doesn't compromise on space or essential features. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Dacia Lodgy. Affordable, practical, and surprisingly stylish, it's a strong contender in the family car segment. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll bring you another exciting new car review only here on AutoTime Reviews.